Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is friendly numbers. As you can see, for integer x we call another integer y friendly if the following condition holds, like y minus d under bracket y is equal to x, where d under bracket y is the sum of the digits of y. Okay, so for example you have integer x is 18. Okay, so y is 18 and sum of digit of y is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay, so the minus of this whole calculation should be what? 18. Okay, like for example 20 under bracket 2 plus 0 is what? 2. So 20 minus 2 is what? 18. We have to find how many integers are like that, so we can call them what? Friendly numbers. Okay, so how we are going to do that? I have already written the code, as you can see. So first what we will do, we'll enter the number start, then declare a variable cint count, then we'll start from start and it will iterate till it is I is equal to less than equal to start plus 200. Okay, and I will increment continuously. Plus also I have also implemented a digitSum function. In this what we'll do, we have digit, okay, like 250 to 2. So the sum of all digits like 250 sum is what? 7. Okay, 2 plus 5 plus 0 is what? 7. So how we are going to get that inside in this digitSum? What we'll do, we declare a sum variable. We'll iterate this till n is less than till n is 0. Okay, it will iterate till that and it will divide and add the sum to add the sum number. Okay, what we are doing exactly, n mod 10 will get the digit sum of the number. Okay, and then we'll return it if I minus digit sum at I is equal to start, then count will increment, and that's how we'll get our answer. Okay guys, so that's how the code is working. I've already compiled this code. Let's now execute. For example 118. So the answer is 10. It's correct. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's the whole code. So yeah, thank you for watching.